Gee, what does that mean? Hello everyone. Today we're going to delve into the fascinating world of English expressions and look at a very common, yet intriguing phrase, gee. Ever heard of it? Let's uncover what it means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Gee is a colloquial term in English. It's an exclamation, primarily used in American English, that originally acted as a euphemistic substitute for the word Jesus to avoid blasphemy. Over time, its religious connotations faded, and today, it's a mild expression of surprise, enthusiasm, or sympathy. For example, gee, I didn't know you were coming. Gee, that's a lovely dress. It's a softer way to express a reaction and is often seen as polite or endearing. Like many exclamations in English, the context plays a crucial role in the meaning of gee. 1. Surprise or amazement. 2. Gee, look at that giant cake. 3. Empathy or sympathy. 4. Gee, I'm sorry to hear that. 5. Pondering or thinking. 6. Gee, I wonder if that's a good idea. 7. Slight annoyance or frustration, less common. 8. Gee, can you be any louder? Remember, the tone of voice also plays a part in determining the exact sentiment behind the exclamation. The term, gee, isn't just confined to daily conversations. It has found its way into music, movies, and literature. For example, there's a famous song called Gee by the South Korean girl group Girls' Generation. While the song isn't about the exclamation itself, the title captures the light-hearted and playful tone of the song. In literature and movies, characters might use gee to depict a certain innocence or naivety. Well, there you have it. The next time you hear someone exclaim, gee, you'll know exactly what they mean and the rich history behind this simple phrase. We hope this video has been informative. Remember, language is ever evolving, and expressions like gee make English all the more dynamic and interesting. Until next time, happy learning!